Hello everyone, so today we are going to solving the pattern 9 question. So see what is the pattern is. Here you can see this is the pattern that we are going to solving today. So if you saw my previous two videos, then this is the question is combination of my previous two videos. If you see my previous two videos, then it is very easy to solve for you. So let's see how we can solve this question. So in the previous two questions, we solved this pattern and we also solved this pattern. And in these questions, we are going to solving these two patterns combined. So what we are going to do for printing out this star, we learned in the previous video that if I plus j is equal to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1, then we are going to printing this pattern. If I is equal to j, then we are going to printing this pattern. What is the I and j here? I and j is the number of rows and the number of columns. See, here is the number of rows is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I plus j, that is, let's assume that this is I and this is the j. So 5 plus 1, that is 6, is equal to n is here 5. So that is also 6. Then we are going to printing this pattern. When value of I and the value of j are same, here you can see the I is 1, j is also 1, then we are printing this pattern. If we combine these two, we will get the whole pattern. So let's see how we will do that. So for that, let's create a loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Then create a inner loop for int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. Let's see now what is happening. If I is equal to j or I plus j is equal to n plus 1, then we are going to printing the stars. So system dot out dot print the star. Yes, system dot out dot print space, and for the next line we are going to use system dot out dot println. Okay, now see we are getting the expected output or not. So hit the run button. See, we are getting the expected output. So now submit it. Here you can see it is the correct answer. So hope all of you enjoyed this video and learn how to solve this kind of problems very easily. And I will see you in the next video. So bye bye.